How can we make a cell larger in Google Spreadsheet? One way of doing that is to simply make the column and the row larger. So if I make this column C larger by pulling this, the cell in that column also will be larger. And same with the row number 4 in my case. And this way, this cell is larger. But as you can see, all of the cells in the same row and column will be larger too. So how can we make only one cell larger instead? If you want to do that, you can consider joining several cells together. So if I select those 4 cells like that with my mouse, now I can click the merge button, and this will become one large cell. So there are 2 ways. And in addition, you can always control the zoom level. So sometimes we actually don't need to make cells bigger. We can just zoom in a bit so everything seems bigger for us and it's a bit easier to work with it. Alright, so here are your 3 methods. Simply make columns and rows larger. You can merge several cells together to make one big cell like that. Or you can use the zoom level, so we are not changing the actual size of the cell, but we're simply using the zoom feature. Alright, I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.